You a bring trouble, me I take a shorty. I'm living my best life. The only back on our website. Vex cause we eating, while they in the feelings. We jump on the next flight.
Hello. That's not how that was supposed to go. Yo, what's up everybody? It's Kimono and welcome back to my channel. So today, what happened? I was going through Instagram or whatever, and I saw this look that Megan did, and I really liked it. And because I have like a similar color wig, it's not the exact same wig, but it has like the same brown streaks that her wig had, and I'm like, this could work. If y'all want to see how I transform myself into Megan Thee Stallion Chiney Gyal edition, just keep on watching. So quarantine has not been good to my skin at all. I am Avatar. That's not even a, what's it called, arrow. Yeah. So like if there's two things like I would splurge on, it would be foundation and concealer. Like everything else you can use at the drugstore. Like a lot of my lip products are drugstore, and my eyebrows is NYX. I don't know if that counts as drugstore. Where is, but yeah, no, if you can splurge, I would recommend just getting an expensive foundation and an expensive concealer, and just explore everything else drugstore. Cause like some of their powders are good, but especially if you have sensitive skin, all the products I experimented with, and pimples. Like I was looking through some of my pictures from high school before I got into MAC. My skin was horrible, and I didn't realize it was the foundation doing it until like I stopped wearing foundation for a bit, and my mom was like, here, try this. She handed me like, she took me to MAC, and she got me fitted. Not fitted, what's it called? She got me shade matched. I'm gonna take this color, and I'm gonna place this all over my eyelid. Tape! We got to use the tape. I did good in geometry, but I don't know if that's the right angle. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna take that color from the matte book, and I'm just gonna put that all over my eyes. Ooh, baby. And bring it up to my brow bone. Now I'm gonna take, and I'm just gonna place that above the brown that we just used. And yes, I'm using the same brush. So next, I'm going to take, this like, it's not black, but it's not gray. It's like, I want to say the dark gray. It's like a dark gray. So I'm gonna carefully I'm just gonna carefully place that right above my crease. And then I'm just going to darken up the outer corner. Okay. Now when you're using dark colors, do not forget to go in with a light hand and then build your way up. Because if you use too much of a dark color, it's kind of clipped. And then you look like a raccoon. And we don't look like raccoons here. Stop! So now I'm going to take a small flat brush and I'm going to cut out this crease. I'm going to use my Nars concealer again. Yeah. Oops. I'm gonna take tempura. I'm just gonna place that on my lid. Let me clean this up. Bud. It's bud from me bun. So I'm gonna go in with this lower lash line brush and I'm just gonna use the gray from before and kind of just clean everything up because this. Then I'm gonna go in with the same brown and kind of unharsh it out. This side's fine. It's more like on this side. Next, I'm gonna take my liquid liner. Liquid liner. Is that how beauty gurus say it? I'm gonna take my liquid liner. I'm annoying. I don't know why y'all watching this. I'm annoying. Okay. So now I'm just gonna do a basic wing. Megan didn't have hers. Megan had hers kind of thick, but you know, us hooded eye bitches can't do that. So I'm just gonna do a basic little wing. now I'm just taking a flat brush and I'm using concealer to kind of clean up everything. Now that we have hair, I'm gonna take this nude pink from Maybelline. It's just gonna be my base color. Mwah. Mwah. Is that how she does it? Mwah. And then I'm gonna take this brown Limbo. I'm gonna take Limbo from ColourPop and but yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching how I try to look like Megan. I think we all try to look like Megan. But yeah, no. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Mwah. Oh wait. Mwah. Wait. Mwah.